Hello viewers, now I am discussing with you regarding the ORAC. What is ORAC? Please listen this carefully and follow whatever instruction is being passed on to that for your benefit, for your future life. If you want to survive in these different pandemic conditions, you have to follow certain instruction and guidelines, whatever is provided. What is ORAC? ORAC is oxygen radical absorbance capacity. Our lungs and bloods. Lungs receive the oxygen and transmit it to bloods. How the blood take this oxygen radical inside it? That is concerned with the ORAC. Higher ORAC, better will be oxygen capacity. In future, our survival will be based on immunity only. Immunity boost up. Many of us has taken that also. So why spices are so important for our life? Look at the ORAC value. Now I am just delivering the ORAC value of spice. Clove is giving 3,14,446 ORAC value. Cinnamon gives 2,67,537 ORAC value. Turmeric gives 1,02,700 ORAC value. Cocoa gives 80,933 ORAC value. Cumin gives 76,800 ORAC value. Parsley gives 74,349 ORAC value. Tulsi gives 67,553 ORAC value. Thyme gives 27,426 ORAC value. And ginger gives 28,811 ORAC value. These are the certain spice in our life which we generally use in our daily kitchen, our home dhaba, which gives these many ORAC value, means oxygen absorbance capacity, will enhance the lungs to absorb more element of oxygen. Extract of ginger, tulsi, turmeric are at least 10 times higher ORAC value. Extract of these three things gives 10 times higher ORAC value what they have. That's how they becomes effective for us. Oxygen carrying capacity of the blood can be enhanced using natural fruits, vegetables, spice, herbs that have high ORAC value. These are the things which have the high ORAC value. Oxygen radical absorbance capacity prevents. What this ORAC prevents? Now I am going to the diseases onto which this ORAC is effective. Cancer is reduced and eliminated. Neurodegenerative disorders, diabetes and so many chronic conditions can be improved by this ORAC item. Nature boosts immunity. What are the things which boost our immunity, which are found in nature? High ORAC food and nutrients such as iron, vitamin C, zinc, omega-3, magnesium and vitamin D helps to boost our body defense mechanism. Our body defense mechanism being boosted up by these items. Apart from tulsi, ginger, pepper, turmeric, cinnamon, clove, herbs like brahmi, ashwagandha, satwari, mulethi, arjuna astam, peppermint, coriander seeds, cumin black seeds, catching attention of scientists. What does it mean? Catching attention of scientists. And scientists are also interested in these things and working on to that to fight these many diseases. So this is more than any immunity vaccines. One need for self immunity which without any side effect. Without any side effect, the immunity is being boosted up by these items. Since 80% of virus positive patients have no symptoms at all, leaves uncertainty for all of us. Testing 138 crore people, means our population 138 crore, is next to impossible. Even if we test daily 10 lakhs people, we need over 4 years to just testing only. So this is suggested to everyone. Our future is our immunity only. Just like Intel inside a computer, so we have to inbuild immunity inside us. That's why they say our kitchen Masala Dhaba is the biggest pharmacy for whole family, for our complete family. The masala which are being used in our kitchen on daily basis is the best pharmacy. Please share this message to maximum people so that they know our right desi food is the best medicine to fight every disorders. Feed body with good food to experience best health. If we take good food on daily basis with this spice, using this spice, our health will be good in future. Okay, please pass this message to each and every individual so that they can use these herbs as all the Ayurveda using. Okay, that will build our immunity, enhance our immunity to fight this novel coronavirus second stage. Okay, Jai Hind.